If you've ever wanted to give your Telegram bot a crisp, professional feel with a custom menu button, one that lets users tap and instantly access handy commands, then this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to configure an awesome personalized menu for your Telegram bot using the latest method, and you'll understand not just how to do it, but why each step matters. Let's jump right in and make your bot stand out. First, open your Telegram app and search for @BotFather. If you're new to bots, think of @BotFather as the parent of all Telegram bots, the official toolbox where you manage and customize them. When you find @BotFather in your search results, make sure it has that blue checkmark next to its name. That checkmark means it's the real official account, and you should always be interacting with that one to keep your bots safe. Once you're chatting with @BotFather, type the command /mybots and send it. This command pulls up a list of every bot you own. You'll see them right there. Just tap on the name of the bot you want to personalize. Maybe you have a bot for your business, your community, or a fun project. Whichever one you choose, this next part will set up its menu. Now, after picking your bot, you'll see a new menu appear. Tap on Bot Settings. Picture this as the control panel for your bot, where you can fine-tune features and set behavior. In this panel, look for an option called Edit Commands and give it a tap. This is where you'll actually build out the menu that pops up when people interact with your bot. @BotFather will now prompt you to enter your custom commands. Each command tells your bot what to do or what information to give, and the menu lets your users pick them without needing to remember long instructions. Here, the key, you'll need to format each command correctly. Every line should look like this: command description. For example, type start begins the interaction to create a starter option, or help provides helpful information so users feel supported. Use only Latin characters, numbers, and underscores for the command part, so nothing fancy or complicated, and each command goes on its own line. If you have settings you want users to access, you might add settings, adjust your bot settings. Just remember, the clearer your descriptions, the less confusion later on. Take your time with this step. Think about what commands make sense for your bot. If it helps, jot these down ahead of time. When you're done, simply send your neatly formatted list back to @BotFather. After you submit your commands, you'll get a confirmation message. This means your menu is now live, but it's always a good idea to test things out. Head over to your actual bot's chat and type a / in the message field, just /. If everything's set up, you'll instantly see your vibrant new menu right there. You or your users can now just tap and go, no fussing with typing out commands. If for some reason the menu doesn't appear, don't worry. A quick restart of the Telegram app usually does the trick. Give it a moment and you'll be set. And that's it. You now have a custom menu button for your Telegram bot, making it easier and friendlier for you and your users. If this helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into troubles, just leave a comment below. I check and answer all of them. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Telegram tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded bot.